Hi, this is Mike with City Service Paving. I'm out here on a job today and I wanted to show you what we're doing. We're having our guys blow the streets and clean everything, and they're also going to be painting the red curbs, which they've already done right now. They started that process, as you can see. And now for the fun part, I'll show you the guys putting down the material. They're way down there. Let's go see them. As you can see, they're putting the material down, the Sealcoat material, with a machine, and they're brooming the edges. You can see how they're careful not to get it on the concrete. They're being really careful around the edges. So I always put signs out in all the parking areas to let people know they can't park here, with some detailed information. And look, it actually worked. People were gone. So communication is key with any successful paving or Sealcoat project. So this is a before picture of what the roads look like. And here's the after. Kids playing in the water. And you can see where they were this morning. Very nice job. I've already gotten a few compliments on it from the residents. I'm going to open this up tonight, get people back in here parked, make everybody happy. So on your next paving project, give me a call, Mike Bobier at City Service Paving. My cell is 510-754-5198. Please call me. I'd be happy to come out and take a look at your property. Thanks for watching.